As a general rule, you should replace the ear cushions on your Bose A30 Aviation headset every 6 months or 350 flight hours. Here's how to do it. First, make sure the ear cushions on your headset are authentic Bose cushions. Using third-party cushions or non-Bose replacement parts can contribute to poor audio and noise cancellation performance. You can order replacement cushions at our website or by contacting us directly. Okay, grip the ear cushion skirt where it folds into the slot on the ear cup. Then gently pull it up and away from the ear cup. Keep pulling until the entire ear cushion comes off. Now, take the replacement cushion and properly position it against the ear cup. Tuck an edge of the ear cushion skirt into the slot on the cushion flange. Be careful not to fold the skirt over. Then, while holding the ear cushion steady against the ear cup with one hand, just work your way around, tucking as you go. When you're done, it's a good idea to hold the entire cushion and adjust its position to remove any wrinkles. Do the same with the other ear cup and you're done. If you need more help, please visit our website or contact us directly.